this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Requiem arrow fast here in Bizarre Lineage on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point that this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the method really is simple, but it is all about repeating specific runs until it drops. And there's two main ways to do this. Either you can go ahead and farm the World Over Heaven raid, which we're about to be at right over here. Once you finish the full raid, at the very end, you'll have a chance to get the Requiem arrow. It's not guaranteed, so you will most likely have to run the World Over Heaven raid pretty consistently. But the second method is just farming the Pool and Wrath boss. After defeating it, there's a chance for the arrow to drop. Just like the raid, it is based on luck, so you can either just spam the raid or just keep killing the boss depending on whichever one you could do faster. There's no shortcuts or guaranteed drops, so consistently is really where it does matter. But that is it. Pick one method, repeat it, and you guys will be good to go. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before we do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.